Okay guys, so welcome back, and finally we are live. So I hope you can see my face. It's my first time to do video like this, I believe, all videos. So let's go on and let's crack on. So today is something different. I'm not going to talk about passive platforms. Today I'm going to talk about buying tokens. So my goal is to buy at least 100 tokens, and I want to spend 15 till 25, probably $25 for each token. Now, this is what I'm doing here is I'm trying to create a portfolio just for the experiment for the YouTube, just to see how it's going to perform in the next 6, 12 till 18 months. So that's my plan till 2025, because what I believe right now is maybe we are around the bottom of the bear market. I think we hit around 17,000. I've been buying some tokens for the last couple of weeks. However, I just want to do here to buy a little bit more and to see how it's going to perform into the next few months. Now, my plan is to do DCA into a lot of tokens. My list is huge. Some of them already explode, some of them not yet. So I'm trying to find some who are not really exploding. Now, we had a very great news in the last few days for the market, and we can see a little bit pump. However, right now, what I can see is a little bit correction. I hope we have a big correction. Is that going to happen? Everybody was saying Bitcoin going to come back to 20K. Is that going to happen? I don't know. However, I bought 5 tokens already. So I create a portfolio on the what's called CoinGecko. Okay, so you can see here I bought a very risky token. So in this portfolio, what I'm going to buy will be blue chip tokens. So less risk, more risk. More risk, and very Degent plays. So when I'm going to buy some Degent plays, probably will be $15 each. However, when I'm buying more normal tokens, will be $25 each. Okay, and I can buy more times for $25 each. Again, I have my own portfolio. This is only for the YouTube, and let's see how it's going to perform. Again, you must understand that here is nothing financial advice. What's mean? I'm not financial advisor. This video is for experimental, okay? This is my experiment, education and entertainment purposes only. So don't put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can lose everything. Please make sure you understand that. So I bought 5 tokens. So here you can see I bought Realm. That was 2 days ago. Oh, also I create a MetaMask wallet where I will try to put more tokens there if I can. Of course, some of them are not able to buy on Panckake swap, and I will buy them, like I'll try to put all the transaction what I'm buying into the description for every single video. So if I buy today a couple of, I'll put them in the description. If I buy tomorrow a couple of, I'll put them into the description. Okay, so what I bought is I bought 5 tokens. So Realm, GQ, VeChain, Superverse, and Vulcan Forge. So VeChain, Superverse, and Vulcan Forge, I bought them last night on Binance Chain. And also Realm and Outer Ring MMO, I bought them 2 days ago. Now, the link of this portfolio will be into the description, and also feel free to join me in my Telegram group, where I'm going to update all the time my portfolio, because not always I'm going to do video if I buy some tokens, if I add them, because maybe I'll do video once or twice a week for this let's say series of my portfolio. I really hope I'm going to make some money in the next 18 months, or maybe not. Now, my portfolios already went 8% up in since I'm buying, but I've been very lucky at the moment. Okay, so what I'm looking, okay, I'm not going to go why bought them and all the stuff in this video. I'm just, because I don't want to keep this video too long. But what I want to do is just to find some kind of gems. Okay, let's go and let's see what's happening with the first tokens. So what I keep my eye is, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff. But let's look Cardano. If you go to Cardano, okay, now everything is a little bit dumping. So I was going to buy 5-10 tokens more. Actually, I was thinking to buy 50 on the first video tokens, but the video is going to be too long and it's going to take me forever till I make it. However, if you go here on CoinGecko, what I like the CoinGecko is if you go to Cardano, where is that? Cardano. Okay, you can see, guys, you can see it's 87% down. Okay, so if you go right here on max, okay, it's already, look at that, it was $3.9, so $3 all-time high, and now we're buying in this consolidation period. Yes, the price wise it's hit around 25 all-time low for this year in the last several months. However, 29-30 cents till 39 is only 30% up. It's not like you buying 5x already. Okay, because there are tokens who do that. Let's check TAP. Do you know TAP? It was very famous for the last 48 hours. A lot of people make crazy money. Let's see, it's dumping. No, not a lot. Look at that. Did 575% in the last 30 days, 3,500 in the last 1 year, and it's still 96% down. Okay, 96% down. So if you go for 1 year, this token, look, just go up, 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 just explode, never come down. Do I'm going to buy? I was very attempt to buy, but I really want to see some correction, because this is crazy, guys. Like, look, this token, it was all-time high, crazy, and then we have consolidation period for 2 years. Okay, for 1.5, 2 years, nobody buy, and then suddenly went like crazy. Again, let's go back. How we can even find a blue chip tokens, okay, to make 5-10x easy if they go potentially if they go all-time high. Again, let's go back to Cardano. Cardano is 87% down. Okay, a lot of people say, oh, it was time to buy when the Bitcoin was 17,000. Yes, however, if you DCA, I believe even if the Cardano hit again, if they go low, I don't think we'll go lower than 25-30 cents. So you can put stop losses if you want, but because I'm going to buy only 25 pounds of, sorry, I mean UK, $25 each, I'm not going to put any stop losses. So you can see even now, if it's go only to all-time high, we looking about 9x from this price. Okay, what about if it's double that? We talk about 20x from this price. So that's crazy, correct? So what else? There's so many tokens out there. Okay, let's go down. Matic, this is crazy, that's crazy, but I'm looking something. There we go. Polkadot. Dot was hot topic last bull market. Okay, check this out, 87.5% down. $56 was all-time high, and now you can still buy at 680. Okay, still you can buy 680. It's only went up 40% in the last 30 days. It's not like went up 600%. Okay, now a lot of people wait for pullback. Probably I don't wait for pullback, but that's me personally. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you here is still, even in the top 50, 100 tokens, you can still make 10x easy if they only reach their all-time high. Let's go to Chainlink. Link is one of my other favorite. Okay, let's see, 86% down. 86, that's mean 9x from this price. $7 and all-time high it was $52, so that's around 8 times from this price. What about if this doubled to $100 after the a Bitcoin halving? Okay, now remember, there's so many other like things going on in the world. We have earthquakes, what is very, very sad. We have war, what is very, very sad. Everything can dump the price down even more. But how low the Bitcoin can go? Everybody were expecting to the Bitcoin price to hit around 12,000, like Richard Hart says, 11,000. And a lot of people, not a lot, but few good people still think the price is going to hit around 10,000-12,000. My thing is, whatever happen, I want to DCA. So if I buy now $25, of course, in this portfolio, if the price go to $5, I'll buy even $25 more. If the price go down more, I'll buy more again. So that's my thinking, how I want to play this market. There's so many good tokens. VeChain, okay? That's what I bought last night. VeChain, it's a big thing. Phantom, it's also 80% down. Let's see VeChain, how far is down. I'm talking about, this is the blue chip tokens, okay? One of the blue chip, there we go, 91% down, still 90% down. And don't forget, the Bitcoin already went 30-40% up in the last 30 days, okay? The one what I want to keeping eye on is this one. There we go, Dogelon Mars, okay? So this one is something what I like to buy, okay? It's already 40% up only, what is mean nothing. It's 80% down or from all-time high. I think this bad boy can explode. There, again, not financial advice, nothing here is paid. This is my only personal opinion. I'm going to buy from this one. I'm going to try to buy 1 billion, I believe. 1 billion if you buy. There we go. I think this is 1 billion is 400 bucks, but I think the price can dip a little bit, so I can buy 100 bucks, then 100, then 100, then 100, because there are a lot of rumors with coins, with Coinbase, Binance buying the token, Coinbase listing very soon. Sorry about that. So it's a lot of rumors about that. So that's how I'm going to find some tokens, and this is only the blue chip, and my list is all the way to over number 1,500, number 1,800. There's so many good tokens. AI is been on the tear lately. One of the AI what I'm looking is this one, is artificial liquid intelligence, or ALI. Again, make sure you are registered with all these platforms where you can buy tokens: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi, all that platforms. I need to also get registered in few, so that's my plan. Get registered everywhere, because there will be pre-sales, there will be even I'm looking into game, actually into the new like metaverse token, and I'm going to buy a node so I can mint this one before it's even out on the market. So how crazy is that? Okay, so probably I'm going to do a video for that next week, but I will see first. I need to get in. So you can see now, like this one, I really like this one. It's only 68% down. Okay, I'm hoping for this one to the price to go down. However, this only come in March in 2022. It's not even been a year. Okay, so it was at 0.001 cents, and now it's exactly 0.06. So it's 600% up. So you can see in the last 30 days went all the way up. So I'm looking into this one. I'm hoping for the good pullback around 0.03 cents. Buy a little bit, then if it's pulled down more, buy a little bit more. Again, there's so much to talk, but I don't want to keep this video too long. And next one also, I'm going to make a video where I'm making some money with the passive platforms. What are the passive platforms are still paying, and where I want to invest a little bit more, because I want to buy few other nodes. I just bought IX node, and I'm going to do a video hopefully tomorrow for that. And let's go on. Again, let me know what token are you buying, any tokens, are you not buying any tokens, and what do you think about this overall market? Is it bullish or is it bearish? I hope the price to go down so I can buy more. That's my plan. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day wherever you are. Enjoy the day and go and watch some of my video. More you give, more you receive.